How's it going, people? Man. Let's try to bring that milk in here. Oh, she actually put it in the fridge. That is surprising. Good job, Miss May. Good job. Woo. See that? It's hot outside, cold outside today. You want is it not in your bag? Oh, we'll go get it. Old Sody pops in. I hate having a wife who wants one thing and me who wants the other. I wanted Burger King, she wanted Subway. And she got a Starbucks coffee. Who the hell does she think she is? But I can't really say anything because I got a drunken coffee. So I really can't say much. This is our last time eating out. We're trying to go healthy. So, new year, new us, if you will. Well, after the past year we had, we definitely need new us. That's for sure. I found our bottle. I'm gonna clean up all these tools out here. I'm working on that mini bike. And our bottle. Great flavored. You did? Oh. My wallet, there it is. I don't want to lose that. It's kind of important. There's Mimi.
Bye bye house. Bye bye house.
You know what I just did? I just left my phone in the back of the truck and drove off without it. It's sitting here in the middle of the fucking road. Nope, other than... Okay, I'll put the window up. God, y'all guys, you do nothing but complain, dude. If the world ain't just perfect, if the world just ain't perfect your way, you just complain. That's all you do. I wish I could complain that much. Oh, I do. If I complain that much, I'm called a little wine bag. That's what I'm called. That's what you are, a wine bag. Other than the screen protector being just cracked as it already was, we good to go. All right. There's Jessie. I got her. She's sick just like Jack is. So Jack got sick first, and then Jessie. Kind of hit all at once, so we're hoping it's not, what was that virus last year? The norovirus? Yeah, we're hoping it's not that, because that crippled like all of us. It was bad. So we're gonna go home, and yeah. I still can't give me a license, registration, and insurance. It's crazy. It's 8:43. My kids haven't woken up yet, so probably have to go get them up. Made the kids breakfast. And we're already got the show on. I got some Bluey going back there on the broke old TV. What we got left for today to do is I need to gas up everything, get a little bit extra gas, and go put tires in the truck because I don't have tires that are good. Mine are bald. I tried to reset my tire pressure sensors and that didn't work out like it was supposed to. They kind of just, one would not reset. I guess one died like right as I was programming them because I can do the front left, front right, the rear right, but not the rear left. It just won't work. Time's out, and then since I can't finish it, I can't read them all. It's fire. Can you see that? It's fire. Doing fire stuff, see it's turning orange. There's a fruit fly in here. See, it's like right in front of the camera. I'm debating on getting rid of all of this. This is my last work, and it's not very good. But then again, if I did get rid of it, I'd look like a 12-year-old. So we're just gonna keep it. They negotiated a bath out of me. Y'all's breakfast is gonna be cold. I wanna come here and watch y'all's Bluey while y'all bathe. Well, we're heading out early. Walmart canceled my order of tires, so now I'm heading to. Let me clean the seat out real quick. The seat is disgusting. All right. All right. I filled everything up with gas. It was 90 something box truck, 2 generators, 2 gas cans. I didn't fill the third one up. Wind chill's 4 degrees. I can't feel my hands. I don't have gloves. So, yeah. That's where we're at right now. We got a full tank. Reset my trip. My hands are numb. Oh, yeah. Those look great. And I got new valve stems all the way around. Look at that. Yeah, that looks a lot better. It's a lot better looking. All right, that's gonna take some getting used to. The speedometer's accurate now. Well, I got it coming down. Ooh, that was rough. Look at that tick. Lifter tick. 8 degrees. See how bad these roads are. I don't know how the snow performance are on these tires either. Luckily, it's not horrible yet. This one's a little worse for wear. Yeah, you can see it now better. You wanna know how cold it is out here? You wanna know how cold it is out here? Watch this. Ice cubes, man. Let's do something sketchy. Woo! Woo! Oh, snow hurts my eyes and my face. The Cardinal. Got the GoPro on the charger in the truck because My other charger's in the house, and I really don't want to have to go like wake the wife up to get the charger. So we're plugging the truck, and I'm downloading the footage real quick, and then taking the camera in to download the footage off that. All I know for certain is that it's cold. All right. Oh, it is cold. We've gotten some half decent snow accumulation. Yeah. Hang on. Gotta pull these away from my face a little bit so snow doesn't get up in them. Not snow, but the fog for me breathing. Check out my ice hole. Solid ice right here. I should have known that was gonna happen. need to fucking replace this fucking shit. Need a pop? Damn. Hey, getting a pop. Oh man. Look at all we busted open. Ah, so you can tell these was busted from the cold. Look at that, he was busted from the cold. Damn. That's fun though. scared of that ride. Well, I have more of those, I just don't know where they're at. Here's the accumulation now. The kids wanted to come outside and play, so I got them all bundled up. What do y'all think of the snow?
Oh,
You can't be out here very long because you don't got gloves on. So as soon as you get cold, we go in outside, okay, baby?
No.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I'm gonna give you like 5 minutes out here, and then you're going in. As soon as Daddy's hands get cold, you're going in. So you having fun?
Want snow off? Want slide off?
Okay, I can get the snow off the slide for you. Whew. It's obviously not a complete day unless you check out Walmart. Sleet hurts when it hits your face. Quite the family. I'm supposed to be keeping it between the mustard and the mayo, but all I'm seeing is mayo. Well, there's some mustard, there's some mayo. Okay, we're good. This sleet ain't wanting to melt off my window though. That's annoying. And no, I didn't just get out to go to Walmart. I dropped my wife off at work and stopped by Walmart. I feel like I need to make that clear. My wife is an essential worker. My wife works in the hospital. She's an OB tech. She is needed. So let's make that clear that I'm not going out of this shit all willy-nilly. But I need to make that clear. The transmission's currently at 93 degrees. You see that? 95 now. Can't really see jack shit. Now that little bit of clear space, but defroster on full blast ain't doing shit.